guys, so today's Freebie Friday is an SVG file, and it is called Candy Kiss Treat Box, and it is from Dreaming Tree, and this is the cutest box. I put some acetate down there at the bottom. I did watch a tutorial. I followed the tutorial, and I just thought it was so adorable. I mean, so easy to put together. I mean, literally, it really probably takes longer to cut it out than it does to put it together. But anyway, I used 110-pound cardstock and glitter cardstock and some iridescent cardstock. But anyway, guys, let me show you how I put this together. It was so much fun. I am going to fill it up with candy and give it to my daughter. All right, guys, let me show you how it's done. So today's freebie comes from Dreaming Tree, and I thought it was very appropriate since it is Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day, everyone. So this is your main piece on your box, and it comes with the score lines, and it is just ready to fold and score. So along with this one, you will get 2 hearts, and then you will get the backgrounds for those for the hearts. So the hearts are mats that will go this way. Okay, so and then you get 2 lips, and I've already cut them out, of course, and your lips will be they will be stacked this way, and that's the way they will be glued down. And then I did cut a piece of acetate, and I've already put tape on it for the inside of the box. Now, to assemble our box, all you have to do is fold on your score lines. Fold all your score lines, and I am using 110-pound cardstock because it is a box and I wanted it to be nice and sturdy. Now I'm not using my bone folder because the score lines, again, they are perforated lines, and I don't want to tear those lines. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put my acetate on there, and my acetate, I cut it at 2 3/8 by 6, just shy of 6 1/8. So let me make sure 2. Actually, it is just under 2 3/8. So 2 5/16, I'm guessing. But anyway, as long as it fits over your open holes, you should be good. So your box, I didn't fold this one. So your box is going to be put together this way. Okay, that is the front of your box. So I'm going to go ahead and put my acetate down, and all I did was put some red line tape on the edges, and I'm just removing that tape. I know I'm not in focus but in frame, but I was trying to get that. Okay, so let me put this down, being careful not to go over the score lines, because I want it to fold neatly. Okay, now this is where I will take my bone folder, and I will make sure that it is well adhered to the paper. I mean, if you're going to use bigger candy than kisses, you may not need to do this part, but okay. So, and this is going to be glued to the inside of your box. So what I'm going to do to this one is I'm just going to use some tape here, and this is a 1/2 inch, and it fits perfectly on here. And again, being careful not to go over my score line. Cut this off. Cut this little piece off. Burnish that, make sure that's on there firmly. Now I'm going to take off my backing, and I am going to glue this down. So all you have to do really is just fold this, glue it down, give it a good burnishing, And your box is right there. And that is our box, guys. Pretty, isn't it? Okay, so now let us put the rest of the pieces on here. For this, I'm going to use the wet glue. Get rid of these little backings that stick to everything. So when I was cutting this one out, I didn't lay my paper down far enough, so I have a little peak right there that it is not like this side, but I'm gonna glue it down anyway. And the bottom piece just gives you the look of the, you know, like a shiny lip, like a, you know that look. And I did cut the bottom piece, the white piece, out of that iridescent paper so it would be a little shinier. But anyway, so you just put them together, line them up carefully. Okay, there we go, guys. So those lips are aligned. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, that's cute. Okay, so now let's put together our top piece. This is gonna go right here like this, and this one is going to go right here like this as well. And then we are going to glue these together, okay? And then this is gonna go on top. This is gonna fold, and this is going to be glued to the top. That's gonna be our topper. Okay, so we are going to make the top of our box. First of all, we're going to glue the wrong sides together, with the exception of this part. This part we leave unglued, which is what's gonna go here to the top of the box. So again, I'm going to use wet adhesive, and you can of course use whatever you'd like. And I'm using the art glitter glue, of course. Okay, so this is where we put our hearts together. Just make sure it's nice and even. All right, guys, so there is part of it. And again, we want to make sure this part is not glued. This needs to be open that way. So our heart, this has a tiny little perforated, you know, side there. So this you fold down and you will glue that right there. Okay, so let me glue the back side. You know, it's really nice of the companies to put out some freebies once in a while. This particular company has really cool SVG files, you know, free and for sale. Okay, here we go. Put this down. Make sure that it reaches that fold down at the bottom. Okay, and then all right, adhere that. Oh, that's pretty, isn't it? Oh, that's just so cute. Okay, let's do the other side. Let me fold. And it's thick cardstock, so my my fold lines are a little hard because this is thick. Actually, it's poster board. I had gotten these on clearance, and it is poster board, so it's thicker than your average paper. All right, let's put this one down on the other side. And I'm lining up the bottom first. That way I know my score lines are going to match. There we go. And it is ready to go. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that, guys. So adorable. Okay, now this is what goes glued to the top of your box. So we are going to put glue. And of course you can dress this box up further, but I just thought for a quick last minute gift, place some candies in there or something, it's perfect. Okay, so I'm not gonna measure, I'm just gonna eyeball it. There we go. Hopefully, well, not as even as I had wanted, but it will have to do because it is down. Okay, I'm just holding that down, guys, so it will adhere. Isn't that just adorable so far? Okay, let's put our lips on there. Okay, so our lips go right here on that little cutout. Isn't that cute? Okay, so I am going to put glue on my lips. Actually, just make sure you don't go over that top of the box. I think it reaches about there. There we go. All right, now just align that to the opening of the lips. And you know, you can probably, you know, do it a little bit better while the box is open, but I am good like this. You know what, let me put my bone folder in there and press a little bit. All right, guys, there you go. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Look at that. Super adorable. For free, guys. You have everything you need in your probably crafty space. And that, my friends, is the freebie, the February Freebie Friday. This is 2 of 4. So I hope you have enjoyed the first 2. I don't have any candy because I don't do candy very often, but yeah, kisses in here would look so cute. Any candy actually, but it is meant for the kisses candy. So there you go, guys. I just thought that was so adorable, really fast to put together. Honestly, super fast. There you go. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and we will have another video next Friday. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.